Commercial lending today is a complex task. Deals are stuck in emails, documents are scattered across folders, and every submission feels like starting from scratch. What if you could manage your entire deal flow in one place, close more scenarios every month, and become the broker your lenders actually enjoy working with? This is Lendingflow. Welcome to Lendingflow, the commercial lending platform built specifically for Australian brokers. Let's start by creating your account. The registration process is simple. Enter your first name, last name, business email, phone number, and your organisation name. The trial account is completely free and no credit card required. This gives you the freedom to properly try the platform, plug it into your workflow, and see how it actually helps you solve the biggest challenges in closing deals. Once registered, you'll get immediate access to a 90-day trial of the full platform. This includes your own secure data room with 1 gigabyte of storage, the ability to upload and organise your loan scenario documents, share your data room with lenders quickly, and generate and submit lender-ready packs. After signing up, you'll receive a verification email. Just make sure you verify your account to activate access. From there, you're ready to get started. Let's create a new scenario. This is where Lendingflow really starts to deliver value. You can choose between construction, refinance, and purchase. Each scenario type is built with a standard, comprehensive structure, so you don't miss any important details. And importantly, each scenario type is completely different, as it should be. A construction deal doesn't look like a refinance, and a refinance doesn't look like a purchase. Lendingflow knows the difference and reflects that. Everything you capture is tailored to that specific deal type, ensuring that what you put in is exactly what your lender needs to assess and make a decision. No guesswork, no missing information, just clean, complete scenarios from the start. As you move through the steps, the platform guides you through a structured workflow. Each step is tailor-made based on lender expectations, ensuring you capture the right information at the right time. This means you don't miss any of the required details needed for a proper assessment. You'll capture borrower details, security details, loan requirements, purpose of funding, and key financial inputs. Some fields are optional, but they're there for a reason. The more detail you provide, the stronger and more comprehensive your application becomes in the eyes of the lender. Everything is designed to align with how lenders assess deals. No more messy notes, no more back and forth emails, just clean, structured deal data that moves your scenario forward. Once your scenario is complete, you land on the scenario summary page. This is the control center of your application. Here, you can see a complete, structured view of your deal, including key metrics like LVR, borrower and security details, and loan requirements and financials. But this page goes beyond just a summary. You can also add additional factors to your scenario to capture more specific details that may impact the outcome. Or manage and review all required documents, assign the scenario to another team member, add notes for collaboration. You are able to view a full audit log of all changes and activity. This is the most comprehensive and intelligently designed dashboard for each scenario. Everything about your deal lives here. How convenient is that? You can always return to this page from your workspace by clicking on any scenario. We'll also cover the outcome panel and other features in the next sections, which gives you even deeper insight into your deal. Now let's talk about documents, one of the biggest pain points for us as brokers. Instead of chasing documents across emails, Dropbox, or shared drives, Lendingflow gives you a centralized data room. You can upload documents securely, organize them per scenario, and keep everything structured and easy to access. Your documents are directly tied to your scenario, so everything stays connected and in context. You can also quickly share your data room with lenders, making collaboration and submission seamless. No more scattered files, no more version confusion, Just one clean, secure place for everything shared between you and your lender. While we are here, and to help you stay on top of your day-to-day activities, Lendingflow includes your own built-in task manager. Let's see that quickly. You can create a new task, set a clear title and status, and assign a due date. This allows you to track your activities and stay organized across your workload. And this is just the beginning. In the professional plan, you unlock the full power of this feature, where tasks become directly connected to your scenarios. You'll be able to assign tasks to specific scenarios or assign them to yourself or your team members. This turns your workflow into a structured, trackable system, helping you move deals forward without anything slipping through the cracks. Once your scenario is complete and ready, submitting it to your lenders is simple. You can either go to the scenario summary page and click Submit, or access the Submissions tab, where you can manage all your submissions in one place. From here, you can submit your deal to one or multiple lenders, depending on your strategy. Before submitting, you can create and add your own lenders into Lendingflow. Once added, they stay in your organization, like a contact list, so you don't need to re-enter them again. If you've worked with a lender before, you can simply select them from your existing list. Let's choose one of the lenders I've already added here. Now this is where Lendingflow really starts saving you time. With one click, the platform generates a full lender-ready submission pack. No manual formatting, no back and forth, no recalculations. Everything is structured, clean, and ready to go. You'll notice the email subject line is already intelligently generated. The lender can immediately understand what the submission is about, and you can select recipients and add additional contacts if needed. You can also customize the email body based on your relationship with the lender. Lendingflow populates your name and the lender's name for you automatically. Looking at what the lender receives, they'll get a professional submission email, a secure data room link, and a unique access code to view documents. You also have full control over what you send. You can toggle extended view to include or hide additional details, or use the sanitize option if you don't want to share sensitive borrower information at this stage. To make your life easier, a full PDF version of the submission is automatically attached to this email. If needed, you can also edit the submission pack before sending. Remove sections, adjust details, or tailor it exactly the way you want. Once you're ready, click Send. And that's it. Your scenario has been submitted to your lender. For professional plan users, Lendingflow unlocks even more power. You get access to the Lendingflow lender panel, a curated and carefully selected panel of lenders available directly within the platform. On top of that, you'll have access to our AI Smart Matching tool. This feature analyses your scenario and helps you find the most suitable lender, without needing to call multiple lenders or guess who to approach. Simply find the right match and submit your pack. We cover this feature in more detail in our advanced training articles, available to trial and standard plan brokers. Now let's look at what happens next. Your submission is recorded under the Submissions tab for tracking. It also appears under the Outcomes section, where you can view all submissions across lenders, track their statuses, and manage multiple submissions for the same deal. Once your lender approves the deal, or it settles, you can update the submission status accordingly. Keep in mind, this is separate from your scenario workflow status. Your deal workflow can still be managed independently. Lendingflow also gives you flexibility to customize your workflow. As an admin, you can define your own statuses, add labels and descriptions, and even apply color coding for better visibility, all from the Settings menu and the Workflows section. And finally, security. If you ever need to revoke access to your data room, simply click Refresh Access Code. This immediately invalidates the previous code and protects your documents. Next, we'll take a look at how your lender receives this pack and accesses your documents in a secure, controlled way. Once your lender receives your application email, they'll see it exactly as you prepared it in the submission panel inside Lendingflow. If your submission includes documents, the email will contain a secure data room link and a unique access code. By clicking the link, your lender is taken to a secure login page where they simply enter the access code to continue. From there, they land on a dedicated dashboard, a one-stop place to access everything related to your deal. This is where Lendingflow truly changes the experience for lenders. The data room behaves like a living environment. If your lender requests additional documents, or if you upload new files to the scenario, they become instantly available. No need to resend emails. No need for multiple attachments. No version confusion. Everything stays in one place, clean, secure, and always up to date. This creates a much smoother, more professional experience for both you and your lenders. Simple to access, easy to manage, built for real-world deal flow. At this point, you've seen how Lendingflow works end to end, from capturing your scenario, to structuring it the right way, to generating a lender-ready submission, and delivering a seamless experience for your lenders. This isn't just another CRM. This is an intelligent platform designed around how commercial brokers actually work by the experts from the industry. With Lendingflow, you can spend less time chasing documents and managing emails, close more scenarios each month with structured, complete submissions, present your deals in a way lenders respect and respond to faster, and run your entire workflow in one place, not across 5 different tools. The result? More clarity, more control, more momentum in every deal, and ultimately, a better, more enjoyable way to run your business. You're at the beginning of something powerful. Lendingflow is built to grow with you, your deals, your workflow, and your business. If you're serious about improving how you manage and close commercial scenarios, this is your opportunity. Get started today by registering your free trial at app.lendingflow.com.au. Explore the platform, put it into your workflow, and experience the difference for yourself. Make sure you secure your 90-day free access while it's still available. Lendingflow, built for brokers who want to move faster, close better, and stay ahead. Thanks for watching. Lendingflow team.